There was a two boys live in a small town where they only want to share videos with friends online. This idea turned into one of the largest online companies worth $40 billion and serving up more than a billion videos a day. Do you know who they are? And they are Chad Hurley and Steven Chen. Yes, the founder of YouTube. And did you know YouTube was started in a cubicle? Yes, you heard it right. Now, what lesson you will get from this story? The lesson is you never know when your small business idea will be the product everyone can't live without. No matter what your passion is, you can succeed in any business world. Trust me. Starting a successful business doesn't have to leave a gaping hole in your wallet. With a strong business idea and the right tools, you can start a business without investing too much money upfront or investing into heaps of inventory. From e-commerce business idea to services-focused business, there are plethora of opportunities to break into the business world. Here are some advices I have to give you to start the online business. First is sell product online with dropshipping. Yes, you heard so much about the dropshipping. Dropshipping offers a fast way to enter the e-commerce business by providing access to thousands, if not millions of ready-to-ship products. It is also a low-cost way to test product market fit or experiment with fading products also. Now you can sell print-on-demand merchandise. You all may hear about the print-on-demand merchandises. Print-on-demand merchandises work similarly like a dropshipping. It's another way to outsource fulfillment to a supplier. POD, however, allows you to create and sell unique products that feature your own design. Using POD, you could start a t-shirt business featuring your own branded designs and cat photo or creative stickers for dog lovers also. Sell merchandise with original artwork that help you have created the artwork you want to create on the t-shirts. And the most interesting work online you can do is become an Amazon or the other marketplace seller. Marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, there are already attract millions of shoppers. While it is essential to have your own fully branded store, a multi-channel strategy allows you to reach a wider audience faster, and it is relatively low cost compared to traditional advertising or retailing also. Another business idea is create instructional or entertaining videos. Creating cooking videos, working out videos, kids-friendly content, whether floats your boat, the revenue potential is massive. If you're able to engage and nurture a loyal audience, whichever pricing model you pursue, consider offering some of your content for free to give customers an idea of your product and nudge them to make a purchase. Host live streaming on webinars with Zoom, Vimeo, and YouTube that focus on building an engaged community. This is very impressive idea, by the way. Another thing you can do is start your own subscription service. There are various ways that you can start a subscription box office businesses. The most important step is to define a clear niche. It helps to pick a niche that you know well. For example, do you already sell a product that you can turn into a subscription? Maybe you have a hobby like soap making, hot sauce recipes, or homemade sanitizers with essentials oils in it. Create a gift box or a product and set up tiered memberships for premium accesses. Another thing is you can launch an interior design or home decor business. This is very famous nowadays. An eye for design is a fantastic asset when it comes to home business ideas. Home decor companies like Kiko, for example, hit it big selling handcrafted textiles online. Another startup you prefer is sell second-hand or vintage goods. If you love grooming and finding deals on vintage clothing or second-hand goods, the creating a business out of doing it for others may be the perfect startup ventures. Now start a candle business. This is very interesting for me because I love candles. Of course, you will first want to master the craft of candle making before putting your items up for sale. Test various aspects of your products like smell, safety, and burn time. Decide whether you want to brand your candle as high-end luxury candles or fun, playful scents offered at a more affordable prices. Another thing you can do is sell handcraft goods. Handcraft goods are very famous nowadays. If candles are not for you, there are a variety of other ways to meld your creativity with your entrepreneurship. You could sell knitted accessories or hand-painted art. Many crafts start by selling crafts online through a third-party marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, or the odds. However, to retain complete control of your brand, cost, and your customers' shopping experience, it advises to build an online shop to serve your flagship location also. You can always expand to marketplace afterwards. Folks, the best business idea is one that aligns with your audience interest as well as your own. Your business venture shouldn't solely be motivated by potential to make money. This is survive way to experience burnout, but should align with the value, cause, or passion that's near and dear to your heart. To make the most out of your small startup or budget, it is also wise to start with a business model that doesn't require a lot of overhead in the early stage of development. Like drop shipping, print on demand, and multi-channel retails are all great ways to maximize a tight budget and to give yourself wiggle room to experiment. With a little ingenuity, you can grow and nurture your low investment business idea into a full-fledged success. Thanks for watching Safa's World. Hope you like this video.